You better like this video. You better like this video.
Morning guys, it is day 3 or day 2. Day 3, Ossie just got back from the gym. We're about to head down and have some breakfast, and the wedding's today. Ossie wanted to go to the market. I also want to go and get some lihing mui. Because they have them here and they're way cheaper than getting them online, so I'm gonna go and get that today for Eileen, for me and Loa, because we're gonna make simoi watermelon or simoi mango, all the simois in the world.
You see that bunny? So yeah, we're gonna go do some wedding stuff. Another beautiful day here in Samoa, guys.
Guys, the morning looks be morning here. Every time I come to Samoa, my face always swells. Like, I already know it's already swollen a bit. I can't explain it. I just feel so swollen. Like, my body just retains so much water. It's humid weather. But it's so beautiful. Like, could you ever be mad at this view? Like, look at how pretty this place is. It's just so nice. What a dream. I could just fall asleep on this chair. Guys, this is Noah. Still kind of looks a shame. We're just looking for a park, because where are we going? DMC is upstairs. That's the farmers, I think it's called.
Yeah, the marketing now, guys. Yeah, general Victoria de Fayanga E. Marawari.
I should have got the purple one. The purple one is so nice.
Wait, Tadus, you think I swapped it you? Ay, mga uli purple. Uli yun. Awa umamea tau lima o ie lava. Masuk si mea lava. Oh yeah. Keu.
Yeah.
Maya. But the TV going on market. You see the TV here? Samoa and Japan.
Oh, that was the game the other day.
Yeah. We bought a bulakashi and bought a shake from here. It's beautiful. Kasi dia follow ako YouTube. Hello so. Messi dia ngai manguya eh. Hey, Gangsta.
Guys, we got some new.
Yeah.
This is my absolute fave when I come to Sa. It's like paradise.
Yeah, put mereka pakai. Ya, oleh fakta ni udah. Mangaya sumaria ngangiu. Wa sumaria ngangiu pakai ngangiu. Dai lava.
Ossie! I wasn't recording the whole time. They got Vava'u lengi, kalo, ulu. Vava'u, guys. It's Vava'u.
Vava'u ada. Beautiful, amazing.
Beautiful, amazing. Show us. Give us a close up. Driving around Vaikele, this is Osi'S old stomping grounds, and he's just shocked at how many shops they've established here. Is this Double Street? Oh, okay. So the old Sava gang. This is what it be looking like. Wait till it fall. Oh wow, that's a nice house. But yeah, vi kan alle så mycket. Vilka så? Alle kan.
Ah, så får.
Vilka så? Och så. Hej Vilka!
Ja, det var det jag får.
Hello. Hi. What's your name?
Rhapsody.
Hi Rhapsody.
Ja, det är på.
Marika. 저기시. 보엉 안에 바fu. 와. Oh, your girl Jamia.
Ủa mày nghĩ mày chỉ để đưa phong lên phòng.
Lúc bữa ngồi phải để lại cái cà pháo cái ô lên. We got the whole tribe of Judah at the back here.
Phá cu rồi ngà.
Thấy ra lẽ không?
Dude, I've never seen this sign before.
Well, you get it, your mate.
Nope, National University of... Oh, yes, we did when we came to Langi. ABTC, Australian Pacific Training Coalition.
Marine Club. Ora con phải bông à?
Cái khối vào cái mũ đi à?
Không biết luôn á.
Năm nay cái con một phải lúc nó là vật phải à? Ya mình xí ra một cái gì à? Một phần mấy anh, ya muối.
Poi
Để phía mẹ số phụ mà mẹ phải lao nhiều.
Gì anh?
Vâng ya.
Ủa ngay anh. My solo van. What's up, guys? Your boy Georgie. Now
Hey guys.
we are getting ready now to go to the wedding.
It's so freaking hot though. Love this dress. So I got to throw out check.
Yeah, it's so
Show the
beautiful.
fit, show the fit.
Yeah, it looks stunning.
I wish I had like proper heels, but you know these feet, they don't have proper heels.
How are you feeling? What are you gonna say to Becca and Balba? Oh, what's?
Babe, seriously?
What are they?
It's her name is Sike. Congratulations, guys. Honestly, this is the start of a new chapter for you guys. There's gonna be challenges. Don't get me wrong. Marriage is not all about sunshine and roses, but stay strong, stick to the Lord, and you guys will make it through. But congratulations, massive
congratulations you guys. Ia fua vala le niu, ma fua tele le niu, ma fua whaalau so le niu, but for Mausa Becca, so you know, I'm your older brother, so maroa arung sai, me siri o mai o me mea ka ore whai ainga. Fai korua, ya. Kon fai ya e lua inga I fia. Mau war fer fangi. Fa vai me o mai le li. Mau wai manguia lua inga ya e lofa kere ak mo o lua. Fai te lua mata nei video. Big shout out to you guys. This is the Langas car. Someone else. Another one here. Let's go. TJ Russell. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. Giờ đây cả bọn anh ngao để lấy ngao. Mà tôi mày làm bao giờ cả bọn để lấy ngao. Mà như vậy. Không chơi chứ. Hai. There. Yeah, kapan nggak like nggak? Mà ngay giờ cho là ngay nghe yêu mấy cái. Nice. Yeah, let's go. Ya, kapan nggak like nggak? ngay ka wala lang nga. Let's go. Tốt, là quá rồi. Dạ, solo nó trả valley. Giờ cái đi xem music y, giờ cái chơi với Mrs. Key over here. She looks stunning. Dạ, giờ tôi nu mới tôi nu le. Melo yai le. Melo fire reception. This is the museum of Samoa. We here the museum of Samoa. Ano yung sali? Mga dayo sa Vava'u. Museum of Samoa. Ja, reception there le. Reception ulo pa yun. Popoy-pongan.
Sorry if you can see. Please help us a little bit.
Siaosi and Vicky.
C'est pour 11. Come on, morning.
Oh, thank you. So nice. So we just got here at the wedding and it's beautiful. Like, this place is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm like speechless. I'm lost for words, but well done to both of you. You guys did an amazing job. Okay guys, so I'm just filming the tables. Look how beautiful this place is. That's Osi'S sister's daughter. Wow! This is so nice. I guess that's where they're going to be sitting. My God, that's beautiful.
House. Biar kau ngumai ari. Dạ. Có sao cho lên trên bọ. Go Russell!
Let's start up the ceremony catering with an AW Osana and Chips catering. Outside. Well, Osi'S. Yeah. Pei wo koe mi ngoi mai kuora au ia ma kue lo waka for the rainbow party. Ala rua lo te kinga piko I lana whamu mo. Ia, ana toi tipu leo fesi fasi teke. Whasanga lesi. Whaile tala lea. Honey? Honey! Tu lo ye da me su ye mo mo mai su ma sa do pa tsere.
Ya, baptiza mani mo le manoa. Nga ato pa ia masa le ungali ma kaya e manarua. Ia o le tue ko iai. Lea ua ma ea o le pailango pai o le whanua e le pule o Tasavanga. Ia e le tue aputia foi mauma fituta. Wa lea o whea ngai tonu ma le lauti ula ma lama na imtasawa. Ai ona lea ua maua le mato wa manoa. Ia o lava o na whaisitala mo teta. Ia o lea fwoi o mau atu, le mo le mau o le tina, o ia o Elisabeta. Luno ina na mana o lo matua whanau mai o se tine e whai no ia Elisabeta. Ia a lea o wha koe fo mai ai o nalo tama. Lea lau whai no ia Elisabeta. Ato vai ia Elisabeta. O se tangata masatama ta alo au le leiteri. Aleni o taleni neo lakapi. Ia ele o staleni mo uma e kata uma. Toa haiti la. Ai o whamaoni lava ma le tausini o ma whiwhinau. Ai mai se e whai ma le fua tatua tunu. Ia le ala mo tonu lava e. E peta. O mato au. Ma te re io Hong Kong. Ona le ringa whapui poha whai. Ia le ala ko kilo ko ka alo ka ko. Se no mala e uma fa ko malo mi. Ka ko le ka ko. Ya, ona la no tu mai. Le la fa ma to si va Samoa. Ona ba ta la to se va e no se la ka.
What a night it has been. A beautiful night, a wonderful night. Big congrats to both Site and Beta once again for the awesome night of entertainment and celebrating your guys' love. We thoroughly enjoyed it, but we're back home now. We dropped off Mum and...
It's a long night.
Yes, it was. We'll be going tomorrow morning to pick them up and drop them back off to the Waffle. But tomorrow's our last day, and then we pretty much have to go from... Yeah. But I haven't been to see my dad at all since... Did you lock the car? We check out of here on Sunday, early hours of the morning. So hopefully tomorrow we can get a little bit of sleep squeezed in. Let me put my glasses on because it's a bit bright. So we're here at the Waffle, here with Mum Becca. She just gave me her dress, which I don't think will fit me, but doesn't matter, I like it. Oh, British Brooch. How are you doing?
Clarence.
Nice. See? Yeah, oil. Yeah, Victor George. Rhapsody. Hi, Rhapsody.
Hey! Mia!
Follow. Follow. Hello. Hello. Okay, guys, so oh my gosh, this bedo on my skin so good. Huh? What?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So our last few hours here, less than 24 hours left here in Samoa. We leave tonight, early hours of the morning, so pretty much tomorrow early morning. But it's been the best 3-4 days, the most expensive 3-4 days, but I've enjoyed it. It was such a great trip, great short trip. On our way home we might stop and see Dad. But he's so busy lately, so Bambino. How many are there? Guys, we're here at Sula's Bakery. It is pouring rain. And we left the Waffle a while ago. So yeah, we just drove in silence for a bit. And then I called Mama to see what we might need, but we're only allowed carry on, so we have to be very scarce with what we take on our plane carry-on luggage because we didn't get the check-in. I mean, we can pay for extra, but it won't be worth it because I won't have a 30-kilo bag. So
yeah, we here at Sula restaurant, bakery. Sorry, we here at Sula Bakery. We're gonna. I
really wanted. Oh, sorry. Ossie, we really.
Stop talking over me.
You started over me. We really wanted to buy the hook, the wooden hook, but it would not fit in our luggage, and also we cannot take it up. Apparently that has to be checked in.
I saw it.
I'm looking forward to their cakes, and also their kekepuas are so nice.
We are at Sula Bakery. Maua iale bakery here, Sula. Got some bakery over here.
Sula Bakery have the coolest drinks. The last time I came to Samoa, I got their lemon, ginger, and turmeric, I think it was. And they have this coconut milk. And this one is melon flavor. They also have mango and some other ones, but they're so cool. Anyway, so we stopped off here at Fier's Barbecue, and oh my gosh, we've been coming here for so many years, and it's just so different.
Most of my life is here in Waikele, but so different.
They used to have salaki pakeka,
Ukama, and then a big more, like big plate.
It was a massive plate.
But now
for
it's
$8.
For
but
$8.
Inflation.
Look at this one's 15. But they only add the mamoi. It's really nice.
Guys, we're driving around looking for pulkaele because my mom requested it. And just the time when we come, and you know how those kids come running up to you to sell like cotton buds and pulkaeles, there's literally none. I've seen one, and he's been selling car smelly things. Not one. Oh, is he? No. Not one kid has come to say that they want to sell their pulkaele, and usually that's where I buy them from. Or McDonald's. I mean, or Peanutties. Hey guys. You're probably wondering what's wrong with my face right now. But this is the worst angle. I just said goodbye to my dad. And he's down over there. He's staying here for a little bit longer. But massive shout out to my cousin Nai for checking us in and stuff.